Take a look at this updated 2-bedroom/2-bath home in the Gardens of Gulf Cove. Impact windows, 7, installed for peace of mind. With both laminate and tiled flooring throughout, maintenance is easy. The very open floor plan features living/dining areas, with sliding glass doors to the lanai. The updated kitchen has soft closewood cabinetry and new countertops, large stainless steel sink, and appliances include Samsung smooth top stove and microwave, Whirlpool dishwasher and LG double-door refrigerator. All stainless, the primary bedroom has a wall closet, ceiling fan and ensuite bath, which features an updated vanity and toilet, combo tub/shower, and large linen closet. The guest bedroom has a ceiling fan and wall closet also. The guest bathroom also has an updated vanity and toilet, tiled flooring and combo tub/shower. The garage houses the Affinity washer and GE dryer, and has an overhead garage door opener. The screened lanai is a great place to enjoy morning coffee and just enjoy some fresh air, plus there's a concrete patio for your grill and outside furniture. The shed is the perfect place for garden tools and other storage. Chain link fencing keeps the kids and the pets contained. Roof was replaced in 2023 and the electrical panel and air conditioner in 2021. The Gardens of Gulf Cove has a great location, with easy access to either Englewood or Port Charlotte. First established in the early 1970s, today it consists of 986 single-family home sites and features 2 facilities, Clubhouse and Recreation Center, each with a pool and multiple amenities for Gardens of Gulf Cove residents, not to mention underground utilities, central water/sewer, sidewalks and street lights, and RV/boat storage. Amenities include Clubhouse and Recreation Center, 2 pools, tennis courts, bocce ball, shuffleboard.